Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to get an AI friend in Minecraft. To do this, just type AI friend for Minecraft and click the first link to get the mod. So we click download and get it through CurseForge. If you don't have CurseForge, just go ahead and install it. It's really easy to install. Let's wait for CurseForge to open up. It can even install just like that. Awesome! Next, after opening Forge Discover, click into the button and type AI or two-player AI here. Let's get into it. Is it called mods here or something else? AI. Player. 2 AI. Let's go in. Here we have the player 2 AI NPC. Click install. Choose a new profile. Pick your Minecraft version, fabric, whatever you want. Then click create. Our mod is installing. All the necessary things are immediately pulled in. Update to the latest version and then click play. So after you enter the world, your AI friend and assistant is there and you can start working with it. And that's it. Weller was here with you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.